Okay, this is Greg Wiener here, and I'm back. Why am I here today? Well, I think everybody might be interested to learn how we actually developed the product and actually thought about it. And the way we thought about it was we were told that people don't like pulling out nails and staples. And so because of our fastening experience, I knew of products that I felt would work wonderfully in this application. And so we began to test my theory about what might work. And we needed to design a bolt with a collar on it so that when you drove it, the micro flashing would compress so the hole would be sealed. So this was very important to our concept. And so to test the first concept of will it leak, we actually set up a temporary water running station 24 hours a day for 5 weeks where water ran directly on top of this micro flashing. It got deflected, and at the end of 5 weeks, when we looked at the bottom and we tore it all apart, zero, nothing, no leak. So we knew that we had something there. And all we had to do was continue to fix it a little bit to make it workable in solar. So we did a couple of things for you here. We made it adjustable from the bottom, okay? So there's a nut underneath here, and that nut can go all the way up to the top of the stem. And so your height becomes adjustable. But because the height is adjustable, we had to move the slot that attaches to the rail so that the bolt itself would not interfere. So these were pretty good innovations, and the field has accepted them. This particular QuickBOLT has been in the marketplace 10 years without a leak. And I think it's a testament to our thought process that says, you know, we're gonna take this product, we're gonna run it through this product, but before we finish this product, we're gonna paint it and put our UR stamp on it, recognized by UL, right? So that you know it's a quality product. And then when we're gonna press it, we're gonna close the hole up and seal it tight with the collar, just like it shows here, no leaks. And voila, QuickBOLT was born. And so this is the first of our series. Thank you for watching, and look for our next video about the QB1. Low profile is introduced. Thank you very much. Have a great day.